Okay, good morning everybody, nice to see you again. This is a video tutorial for the design and creation of a blog according to the collaborative decision that you are supposed to answer in the forum and in a cooperative document we have shared from Drive. So please complete the document, send your answers and enter to the campus and collaborate with the forum to make a decision what are the characteristics and the parts we are going to use in the blog. For the moment, I'm gonna show you how to create a blog with the Blogger. Blogger is a Google Drive tool. It's very easy, very simplistic to work, and I'm gonna show you step by step how can you create your blog. The first step is going to your browser. As you can see, I am going to use a personal blog. I am not going to use the institutional because there is a problem with that connection. And from my personal email, as you can see, this is my email, in this case, Adrian Choyaker. I'm going to the 9 dots in the upper right corner. Okay, these are the Google Apps. And I look down with the scroll, and here you can see Blogger. When I go into Blogger, it sends me to the main page of Blogger. Blogger is a platform in which you can create blogs, and they give you several opportunities. You can, if you have an account, this is my case, but I am not going to enter, you can initiate your session and create your blog, or you can do the step-by-step process. This is what I'm going to show you. I click on the button create your blog, and as you can see, I take my personal email, not the institutional, any Gmail mail, and they say that you need information and courtesy and etc, etc, etc. So you decide a name. I am going to create easy name to remember, tutorial blog. Okay, so I am going to name this tutorial blogger for the workshop. This is just a title. Okay, so tutorial blogger for the workshop. You need to remember those names in case of recovery. Tutorial blogger for the workshop. I take note of that. Then I go next, and this is the online direction. I'm gonna use the same name, but all in lowercase, minusculas. So tutorial blogger for the workshop. So address is tutorial blogger for the workshop .blogspot. You need to remember all this to enter again. .com. Tutorial blogger for the workshop. Tutorial blogger for the workshop. .blogspot.com. Now this is your address. This is the HTTP in which you can find your blog. Next, how you want the name, so you can repeat the name. Tutorial blogger for the workshop. You need to pay attention to your spelling because if you make a mistake, it doesn't recognize the place. Okay, I'm finished. And then I have the access to the Blogger format. This is a template in which you can create your blog. As you can see, Blogger is a very simplistic platform in which you have enters, the access, the entries to the place. You can control statistics, comments, in the case of monetization of your page, the pages you include, the design, the topic. The topic is this part of your blog that you can adequate to your interest. You can be imaginative. The configuration, the general structure, and the access to your blog. If I click in here, in this moment, this is my blog. As you can see, this is the general template. This landscape and the name of my blog, tutorial for the workshop. There's no information. The what is the name? The footstep, you know, pie de línea, pie de página, in which you have information with the technology blogger. You can include your personal information in here. And this is the link. You need to copy this link because this is the manner you can access and you can invite people to your blog. Okay, so this is the first video about the introduction. I'm going to record a second one to show you how to introduce information in your blog. But you can change all of this. You can go to the page and make adjustments to the general structure or the general view of your